This right here is my 1994 Nitro Bass boat that I'm going to be restoring. But today, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but we're going to be ripping off all the extra stuff that we don't need on here so that we can get to these dirty, disgusting carpets right here. Because we're going to rip those out and we're going to put in some foam flooring, which hopefully will be here really soon. But let's jump right into it and start ripping everything off this boat that we don't need anymore. Well guys, just like that, we got the foot pedal, the two windshields ripped off, and then even these cup holders that were stuck here on the side right there, and one back there. They're all ripped off. And now that we got all those ripped off, we can start getting ready to rip out the floor. And hopefully the new flooring will be here soon so that we can rip this floor out and then put down the new floor. But if you want to make sure that you don't miss any of the updates on the full restoration of this boat, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can follow along with the whole restoration. And I'll even make another deal. If we hit 25,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I will give away this bass boat when it is fully restored to one of you guys. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the like button, and we will catch you in the next one.